Want bigger, stronger, and more defined muscles? The truth is, there is no single shortcut. Muscle definition comes from the right combination of strength training, cardio, proper nutrition, recovery, and consistency. When you build muscle while reducing excess body fat, your muscles naturally look sharper, harder, and more toned. In this video, we'll break down the best exercise, diet, and lifestyle habits that can help you build stronger, more defined muscles over time. Increasing muscular strength. Start with cardio. While weight training builds muscle, regular cardio helps burn fat so your muscle definition shows better. It also supports mood, sleep, circulation, and overall health. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio each week, such as jogging, rowing, dancing, using an elliptical, or joining an aerobics class. Include different strengthening exercises for each muscle group. This helps work your muscles from different angles and improves definition. For example, instead of only doing squats for your legs, add lunges, calf raises, leg raises, and leg curls for better results. Combine different representative and weight styles. Higher reps with lighter weights can help build muscle size and definition, while lower reps with heavier weights help build strength and power. Using both gives you a more complete workout. Always include 1 to 2 rest days each week. Rest helps your muscles recover, grow, and become stronger. Use active rest, like light walking, stretching, or yoga, and avoid training the same muscle group on back-to-back days. Include basic exercises to define muscles. Squat with added weight. Weighted squats help tone and define your legs and glutes while working multiple muscle groups. Walk your lunges. Walking lunges strengthen your hips, thighs, and glutes while working several leg muscles. Include a Spider-Man plank crunch. Start in a forearm plank with your body straight, core tight, and hips tucked. Bring your left knee toward your left elbow, return to plank, then repeat on the right side. Do 10 reps per side. Do bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and knees bent at 90 degrees. Bring one knee toward the opposite elbow, then switch sides in a cycling motion. Continue for up to 60 seconds. Do single-arm overhead presses. Hold a dumbbell or kettlebell at shoulder height with your palm facing forward. Press it upward until your arm is straight but not locked. Pause briefly, then lower it back to shoulder height. Start with 2 reps per arm and gradually increase. Bench press on an incline. Lie on a 30 to 45 degree incline bench with your feet flat on the floor. Hold the bar about shoulder width apart, lower it slowly toward your upper chest, pause briefly, then press it back up. Use a challenging weight for 4 to 6 reps to build strength and muscle. Changing your diet to increase muscle strength and definition. Monitor calories. Track your daily calorie intake so you know how much you usually eat. This helps you adjust if you gain or lose unwanted weight. Use a food journal, app, or online calculator to estimate the calories needed to maintain your weight. Go low carb. Reducing excess body fat can help your muscles look more defined and toned. Limit high-carb foods like grains, starchy vegetables, and sugary fruits, but still include healthy options like low-fat dairy and low-sugar fruits. Try foods such as yogurt, milk, berries, strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries. Fill up on protein. Protein supports muscle growth, toning, and overall health. Aim for 1 to 2 servings of lean protein at each meal, such as eggs, poultry, seafood, low-fat dairy, lean meat, or tofu. Most people need moderate amounts, while intense athletes may need more. Make half your plate low-sugar fruit or non-starchy vegetables. These foods help balance your meals and provide important nutrients. Choose options like leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables often, and keep low-sugar fruit portions to about 1/2 cup. Fuel up and recover properly. Eat or snack in a way that gives your body energy before workouts and helps your muscles repair and recover afterward. And including supplements, include protein shakes. Adding 100% whey protein shakes to your meal plan may help support weight loss, muscle growth, and strength when combined with regular exercise. Consider creatine. Creatine is a common supplement that may help improve muscle strength, workout performance, and overall exercise results. Have moderate caffeine. A cup of coffee before a workout may naturally boost your energy and exercise performance. Thanks for watching.